The city of El Cajon is suing over the state law that doesn't allow local police to cooperate with federal immigration officers. ABC 10 News reporter Laura Acevedo explains what the lawsuit is demanding and how the state is responding.
In a new lawsuit filed against the state attorney general, Mayor Bill Wells argues that officers in El Cajon are forced to decide between following state or federal law.
This might be one of the most important days of my life.
Standing outside City Hall, El Cajon Mayor Bill Wells and the America First Policy Institute announced their lawsuit against California Attorney General Rob Bonta.
To seek clarity on the precedence of law, what takes precedence, federal or state law?
At the center of the lawsuit is SB 54, the state law that prohibits local police from working with federal immigration enforcement. The plaintiffs argue federal law supersedes state policies and say California's current law is putting local police officers in a tough spot.
What law should our police officers follow? Should they follow the laws of the United States of America, or should they follow the laws of the state of California?
Just last year, El Cajon City Council voted to comply with federal immigration law to help remove those with violent criminal offenses, something state law already allows. Around the same time last year, city officials say Homeland Security asked a city council member if El Cajon police could help do welfare checks on children in the city on its behalf. After asking the state, the AG's office advised against doing so, citing SB 54, adding that the county already has a system in place to check the welfare of these children and protect their privacy.
I shouldn't have been surprised, but I was, when the state said, no, you cannot do welfare checks on children.
A handful of people did show up Wednesday to speak out against this lawsuit.
It's an embarrassment to the city and to the name of El Cajon from somebody who's grown up here, who is a native.
Wednesday afternoon, Bonta's office responded in a statement saying in part, quote, El Cajon should prepare for another loss, adding that SB 54 has been held up in court again and again. This isn't the first lawsuit between Bonta's office and El Cajon. Last year, Bonta sued the city for sharing license plate data with federal and out-of-state agencies. Laura Acevedo, ABC 10 News.
Laura covers stories on the South Bay and immigration. You can contact her by scanning the QR code on your screen or emailing her at laura.acevedo@10news.com.